Welcome cruisers, and thank you for joining us for our daily cruise news updates. We have 5 brand new updates heading your way, including a removed venue for one cruise line. Watch this video and more with all news fed directly to you from cruisehive.com. P&O Cruises and Cunard are boosting their fleet Wi-Fi with SpaceX Starlink satellite internet services. Starlink was introduced in July 2022 and delivers high-speed internet for vessels at sea. Starting in June 2023, both P&O and Cunard began implementing aboard their cruise ships on Queen Mary 2, Queen Elizabeth and Queen Victoria. In May 2024, Queen Anne is scheduled to launch with Starlink as well. Meanwhile, already implemented in the public areas of P&O Cruises is Britannia and Azura, and by the end of the year it will be accessible on 5 P&O cruise vessels: Arcadia, Avia, Aurora, Iona and Ventura. Carnival Cruise Line has been renovating and revitalising its main dining room menus in recent months, and now additional new changes will bring more vegan options across the fleet. The new vegan main menu includes appetizers, entree and desserts, and is already available on board Carnival Magic and is planned to be rolled out by the end of September aboard Carnival Valor, Carnival Radiance, Carnival Miracle, Carnival Panorama and Mardi Gras. And by the end of October, Carnival Celebration, Carnival Sunrise, Glory, Conquest, Vista, Carnival Breeze, Carnival Sunshine and Carnival Elation will also offer these choices. And the rest of the fleet with Carnival Paradise, Carnival Spirit, Carnival Legend, Carnival Venezia, and by the end of the year as the upcoming Carnival Jubilee. So are you looking forward to the new vegan options on board, cruisers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Royal Caribbean International's Utopia of the Seas has floated out of the Chantier de l'Antique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire, France, bringing the massive vessel one step closer to welcoming guests in July 2024. She has been moved to a nearby outfitting dock where construction will continue with interior details and installation of a 290-foot long ultimate abyss slide, an onboard water slides, outdoor movie screen and much more. Utopia of the Seas will have 16 decks for guests to enjoy, and coming in at a whopping 237,000 gross tons, she will also boast 5 pools, 8 hot tubs, 21 restaurants, 23 bars, 2 casinos and much more, bringing the best of fun to more than 12,000 travellers every week. Following our initial report detailing Carnival Cruise Line's significant upgrade to its booking systems, it now appears the system and websites are back online. However, the upgrade at improving the bookings has encountered a number of issues. Notably, some cruise prices appear to have doubled, and several guests have reported difficulties booking a cruise with a deposit. Travel agents also have been unable to make payments for cruises. Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador John Hive has addressed the concerns and apologised, as well as confirming that the work is being done to address the problems. We know the true etiquette of a library is that you remain silent while inside. However, Carnival Cruise Line is going one step further with that rule and quietly removing libraries from its ships, both with new builds not having a library venue and with older ships renovating the spaces into different uses. Guests have noticed that the lack of libraries on the vessel Mardi Gras, Carnival Celebration and the upcoming Carnival Jubilee. Brand ambassador John Hive addressed guest concerns and confirmed that Carnival have stopped building new ships or libraries on board, and areas formerly used for ships' libraries are being renovated for additional bars, coffee shops, smoke-free casino rooms and live music setups. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul and thank you for watching the video. Now, if you wish to see the news we have covered in the video, please visit our website on cruisehive.com. If you wish to be kept updated and stay informed in the world of cruising, then don't forget to like our channel and please hit that subscribe button. Have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.